Hello children, good afternoon. Had your lunch? Okay. Just we'll play one game. It's not a game. I'll say mother, you have to say father. Say all of you together. Mother, father, brother, sister, and uncle, auntie. Okay. I'll ask you a question. If you wanted to communicate to a friend or brother, mother, father, whoever it is, your relative, how will you communicate? Do you have any idea? How will you communicate to your mother or father? Suppose you are in a hostel. Casually. Through what? Through what? Through phone. What else? Letter. Letter writing. Okay. Chatting. Okay. Telegram. Earlier days. If you wanted to communicate for your friend here itself, how will you communicate? Just speak to each other. Now you speak. Yes. Okay. Now I'll give you a small task. Within a minute, you just write something about you to your friend. Your just adjacent friend. You have only 1 minute time. You write something to your friend about you. In any, when you don't have any restrictions, you just write something. First. Started? Somebody completed? Okay. Did anybody complete it? You write anything about you to your friend, Advesh. To whom you wrote this? Who is that friend? I love you, dear friend. I miss you always. I want to meet you on 5th December. So where is he now? Listen. Where is he now? So who will take this to Hyderabad? Huh? For writing this kind of, for passing communication, this kind of communication to some other friend or brother. Okay, nowadays we have mobiles and all. But earlier we have a letters called like this. Have you ever seen this kind of letters? Have you seen this kind of letters? 25. Your father might have received a letter from your mother before his marriage. Maybe your father might got this letter from your grandpa. Okay, we have another letter called like closed envelope. This is an open letter. Whatever we have written here, everyone can read this. But closed letters will be there in like in England letter, we call it as England letter. This kind of letters are there. So now Advesh, listen. Advesh wrote a letter to his best friend. It has to reach to his friend. So for that, we have to write a letter in such a way. I will teach you how to write that letter. We will be having some format for that. Okay? I'll teach you about that. Okay, just listen carefully. I brought a sample letter. Let me explain you first. Okay. So, how to write a letter? This is an informal letter because we don't have any restrictions. You can write as you wish. But we have some words in which you have to remember. We will be having in a letter like address to whom we are sending. Address, date, salutation, content of the letter or body of the letter, and complimentary. What are these words? Can anybody read this? From here to here? From 2 to 68. Anyone reads? Manohar, read it. From here to here, just can you try to read?
308, Bengaluru, Karnataka.
Marker. Marker. Yeah. So this portion is called the address of the letter. Okay. Here we'll be having a margin. Right from the margin you have to write everything. Okay. Next, what it is there here? What it is? Date. What is the date today? 28 November 2024. Normally earlier we used to write the date here. If you write the date there also, there is nothing wrong. But so now informal is a actual method now. Okay? You should not leave any space after the margin. Okay? You have to write from the margin itself. Date, everything. Okay? This is called the date. Okay? What next? What is here, Bhavani? Dear Papa. Dear Papa. Dear Papa means father. What it is? It is called salutation. Okay? So, to whom he or she is writing the letter? For her father. Next, we will read from here. Yeah, Bakshapati.
By 20th December, I am going to finish my exams. After my exams, please come and pick me from the school because I want to see you all at my team. I grandpa and grandma. Love you, Papa.
So, this is called body of letter. Means what? What we will write in body of the letter? Whatever you wanted to express, you have to put it on the paper and you have to place it in this place. Okay? Understood? After that, you want to express your love. Okay? Here, with love, what it is? With love, your Naksha. Who is writing this letter? This is a signature. With love, Naksha, your Naksha and signature. This is called the complimentary. Okay? Now, I want 5 children. Who will come? You will all come or shall I call? Asma, come. Ashwini, Bhavani. Huh? Murli, Nayak, come fast. Come fast. Fine. Take one. Tiger Bhavani, you take big one. Yeah. Murli, read what you have. What is that? The back side of the flashcard, you see? What it is? Address. Read out.
2M445, Hyderabad, Telangana.
Okay. Next. Read out. What is that?
Dear Shiva.
Dear Shiva.
Body of the letter.
Read out.
I am fine here. I am studying well in RIE school, Bangalore. Hope you are also fine and studying well in Telangana. In the month of January, here in Karnataka, we will celebrate Makara Sankranti as a grand festival. This time, I would like to celebrate the festival with you. Hence, I request you to kindly join with us. Convey my request to Aunt and Uncle. Take care of yourself.
Wonderful. Next question.
For me, sir.
Date. What is the date?
28 November 2024.
Asma?
Complimentary, sir.
Yeah.
Yours lovingly, Murli.
Yours lovingly, Murli. Now, who has to come first? You has to come first here. According to this, what comes first? Address comes first, then date comes second, salutation third, body of the letter fourth, and complimentary fifth. Place accordingly. First address. Open the stickers backside. Okay, very good. Give her a claps, Asma. Next, date. Excellent. Even give her the claps, Ashwini. Give a claps to Ashwini. Next, Nayak. What it is?
Salutation, sir.
What you read out?
Dear Shiva.
Dear Shiva. Who is your friend?
Yes.
Shiva.
Yes.
Is he here?
No.
Okay. Next,
Body.
body of the letter. Very good, Bhavani. Big letter. Big claps for Bhavani. Very good. Next, Murli. What it is?
Complimentary.
Complimentary. Complimentary of the letter. Okay, go and see. So, now you understood how to write an informal letter. Here we have written the 2 address. It is your friend address, maybe your father address. In earlier letter, to whom we have written? His father. Here, friend. Okay. After writing this, we have to post it in the post office. then it will reach to the your friend or father within a day or two. Nowadays, in mobile, we'll just send a message. It will reach in a minute's time. Okay. Okay. Let us ask you few questions now. Let me understand how far you understood. Okay. Esther Rani, stand up. Can you show me what is the where is the body of the letter in that letter? In the first letter. Okay. That is for whom she has written, Naksha? Naksha wrote to whom? That letter. Naksha written the letter to whom? To whom she wrote? Father. Here, to whom he wrote? Shiva. Who is writing? Okay, very good. Ashwini, where is the salutation part? Where is the salutation part? You calm down, you calm down. Yes, yes, yes. Advi, get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Where is the complimentary part? Where is the complimentary part? Come first. Where is the complimentary part?
Complimentary. I don't know, sir. This is I don't know.
But benefit of the doubt, you said correct only. This is a complimentary. Okay? This is complimentary.
Thank you, sir.
So, children, this is how we need to write an informal letter to any of our friend, father, mother, whoever it is, your neighbor. Okay? A former lady first Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was inspired a lot through this kind of letters from first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Do you know about this? You will come to know in detail in upcoming classes like 7th or 8th class. You will come to know. Letters will inspire a lot. So you start writing letters to your friends so that if you speak, it will go up. If you write anything to your friend or whatever, whoever it may be, that memories we can keep it with us. Okay? Now how we are capturing our memories nowadays? Your father, mother have, I think, mobile phones. We are capturing with mobile phones. But even though we have latest technology, you start writing a letters. Okay? What you have to do tomorrow is, you have to write an informal letter to any one of your friend about any festival you like. Will you write? Will you write and come tomorrow? Okay, children. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Very clearly asking about instructions. Like once he gave the instructions, he was asking, like, my instructions are clear, like, do you understand? You want me to do it? That was a very, very important point for a teacher to make sure that the students are. It's not important that what you teach, like maybe he was teaching letter writing, he was not explaining the content. If you would have seen it, he was teaching the important aspects. Even letter writing, you didn't write actually the letter writing, but the instructions, what to paste, how to paste, and all things were in English. You really have a good language stuff. And if you would have seen the handwriting of that letter, right, like the letter which she has written, so beautifully written, legibly. If he has written that, I really felt very happy. Maybe as a GLM used it, I felt happy. As a GLM used it, I felt happy about it. And also his activities were very, very relevant. He asked to paste it and very keen on writing all that things. That I like. But one thing I would like to say is that maybe when the students, you could have asked the students first to, at the end of the activity, you could have asked the students to write a letter. And second thing, when they received the lines, maybe complimentary, signing off letters, maybe you could have given some mistakes, like without adding, with adding the masterly, and something is missing. And then asked, okay, this is a mistake that had to be eliminated, and then paste. It could have given more cognitive skills for the students, but rest it was really very good session. Give them a big round of